Babe, you have been sitting here working all night. This is 7 a.m. and you are still working. I've been in their room waiting for you. Do you have any idea how much I want a dick inside of me? Not just any dick, I want your dick inside of me. Is that too much to ask?
Babe, the last time we had sex was last week.
Last week? Really? Are you even listening to yourself? You call that sex? I am a woman and I want to be touched. Is that too much to ask? Do you have any idea how much I just want you to grab me and make love to me? But no, you can't. All you do is get busy with work. I guess my hands are so tight now and I'll have to figure a way out.
No, babe.
And I mean right now.
No. I am the way.
Do you want to find true love? Or perhaps meet with someone who matches your preferences and then suits your personality? Or maybe you have questions to ask about love or emotional matters and you want us to physically respond to you? So how about learning new tips, tricks and hacks to boost your relationship and strengthen your compatibility? Trust me, this is exclusively at the Date Night with Elegant. So, what are you waiting for? Let us indulge together in this sophisticated atmosphere tailored specifically for couples and singles. Just come around, let's learn from other people's love stories and experiences. Imagine a night where you're enjoying exquisite cuisines while listening to good sounds that brings us together in a perfect complement to our evening. On Sunday, 15th of December 2024, I am all set to release and launch my musical album. Trust me when I say this album is a packed load of timeless classics and contemporary hit tracks. Date Night with Elegant, where love meets melodies. Please book your tickets right now and let us make this evening unforgettable. 5 p.m. prompt, red carpet formalities. Main event starts by 6 p.m. I don't want you to miss out. Beat me there. And sure, you beat me there.